Now he has been doing a research on effect of stones on human aura. What happens to you when you hear a stone? प्रभा मंडल पर क्या प्रभाव पड़ता है? तामसिक, राजसिक, सात्विक, etc. He will show to you. I will not talk about it now. It is for you people to decide, you and God, whether the stones you wear are really good stones, pure stones, or fake stones. Because the whole research of yours can be vitiated if the stones are not genuine.
That's right.
So it is for them to certify. And if they say the stones are all right, then your research is all right. If the stones are initially bad, wrong, then your research has no validity.
In fact,
With this precaution you start.
That's right, sir.
Okay, start now.
Namaskar everyone. My first interaction with respect
If
to...
you don't understand, you ask him, because it's an Indian accent, you have to get used to that.
I'll try to... My first interaction with the aura. First of all, how many of us believe that we have an aura?
You read about it.
Okay. Have we seen an aura? No. My first interaction with the aura happened with Mr. Kane only, which Sir does not know about. I was with Sir at his residence about 12 years ago. And for the first time I sat with Sir for about 30 to 40 minutes. That's at the time, Sir, when you were installing the software in your computer.
Yeah?
We were installing a software in your computer.
Actually.
Right after you left your place, for 1 week, my body was like a pendulum. As you to say that I had come in some person's energy body, wherein it had made a great impact on me. For 1 week, it was like I was in a pendulum or nashe ki state mein keh lijiye, whatever, but I do not know. I cannot explain. But that is about it. Thereafter, we continued studying astrology. After Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, entered into some other fields also.
This you should have told me earlier. Okay. Yes, you can sit there if you like.
Now we have an electromagnetic spectrum, be it the radios, be it the televisions, the ultraviolet rays, X-rays, gamma rays. But have we seen all these rays? Medical science has made it possible.
ये जो पत्थर पहनते हैं, पत्थर पहनने से ह्यूमन ऑरा पर क्या प्रभाव पड़ता है, ये घर में तुम्हें याद है ना, एक दिन आके दिखाया था अमन ने, वही यहाँ दिखा रहे हैं दूसरा.
Now the medical science has shown us the effect of these rays, be it in terms of X-rays, CTs, MRIs, ultrasound.
Aman, you concentrate on him. That American, if he says he understands your accent, it's okay.
Are you understanding
Indian,
so far?
Excellent.
Indians will understand.
So the medical science has shown us these particular rays using various other equipments. So today, do we have equipments to see our own auras? Take for example an orange. In a normal light, what does it look like? In a black and white CT scan, a color CT scan, and the last fourth quarter is the Killian photography. The Russian people, they have developed this particular technology. They have a small photographic plate. You can place your hands, you can place your feet, any objects, and it gives you the complete energy field of that particular body or of that particular subject. So this particular orange field, now you can see the normal one in a normal light vis-a-vis its electric field. We've been seeing aura of all gods, but have you ever pondered or thought that do we have an aura? I had been wearing an emerald costing about 4,000 rupees, a moti costing about 20,000 rupees, a shaniki ring, a 3 tambe wali ring, one Om locket, one Gauri Ma ka locket, maybe एक दो और मेरे को कुछ आता तो मैं वो भी पहनूंगा. Today I'm not wearing it, and I'll show you why. Scientifically now I'll show you whether it was good or whether it's bad. It is for you all to see now. This is a photograph of a human aura, of a saint. Now all these energy patterns that you see, the green color, the yellow color, all these is the flow of energy that is taking place all around us. we had different chakras, which we will not talk about now in the class. A solar plex chakra, how the complete energy is going out. Suddenly, if a person walks into a class, seeing that person, we may like him or we may not like him. So what is it that our body and his body is interacting with? The energy body, the aura. So today's science can also show us a complete physical aura of ourselves. Like human beings, plants also have auras. Rudraksh and gemstones, they also have auras. And all these photographs that you are seeing are real, original photographs which you will not find on the internet also. Now if we marry both these things, the gemstones and the human aura, and that is what our subject matter is. Now this photograph that you see, it is my photograph. This is when I was in Pune. I was in MIT Institute. I had gone to purchase the aura reading equipment, and over there we were conducting all these experiments. Now if you very, very carefully see the size of the aura over here, vis-a-vis over here it has shrunk, and over here it has again shrunk. These three photographs is a result of me wearing all three rings, wearing emerald ring, and wearing the moti ring. Whether it is positive or negative, that is different. But the question is that the rings are having an effect on our aura. Now can we scientifically prove this? Whether it is good, bad, or ugly, or neutral, or whatever? Today no one has even ventured into to study this particular subject. We all prescribe rings, people wear rings, and it is a complete psychological. Either it suits or it does not suit. And the people who does not believe, tell him to wear a needle, he will not believe. But that is also a belief if you see it. Now, the drawback with that particular technology is that in that you have to take off your clothes. If you are wearing your undergarments, it is only that particular area which will not get photographed. So in India, it is not possible, to open up a center or in a hospital and tell people, come on, take off your clothes, we want to see your aura. No one will come. Now this is a particular technology in which whatever we think, whatever we say, whatever we do, we are emitting thoughts, we are emitting radiations. And those radiations can be measured. The inner layer gives our health status. The outer layer shows the psychological status. In a medical language, the inner layer we measure by keeping the instrument 4 inches away from your body. Therefore, whatever our bones and our skin is radiating, that is what frequency we measure. And another reading which we take, the psychological reading, which we keep about 1 foot away from the body. In that case, whatever frequency our nerves are emitting, that is what it measures. And our thoughts, happiness, sadness, whatever are our measurement, which are going through our nerves also, which can be captured and measured.